My PC's f***ed. So I'm building a new one. This is gonna be the best All Corsair PC. This is gonna be the most broken All Corsair PC. If you are sick of this watermark and not being able to utilize all of Windows features, then head on over to whokeys.com. Purchase a Windows 10 Pro key for $16 or a Windows 11 Pro key for $22. Use my code IFR25 for 25% off with loads of payment methods. Copy your code from the user center and paste it here to activate. They also provide you with a step-by-step guide and 24-hour support. So our ProArt motherboard is fully built out. I just wanted to go over a few of the specs and why we chose them. So we've gone with the AMD Ryzen 9 7900X CPU. It's got 12 cores, 24 threads, and we really need those for editing. It's really gonna speed up our workflow and rendering times. And then of course, we know AMD loves some fast RAM, so we've actually gone for some CL30 timings, 64 gigabytes running at 6,000 megahertz. So it's gonna utilize the speed really well. And you guys were saying that we put a balls to the walls amount of storage inside, 24 terabytes in total. This is fast NVMe storage. And guys, in one filming session, we can film up to a terabyte plus of storage. So we really need this because all of our hardware and storage is full at the moment. The specs are very necessary when it comes to our video editing, and we'll get the main rig up and running very soon. So I turned the build on and I wasn't really quite happy with where it was at. I felt like it needed some fans at the front just for a bit of lighting. I normally like to put the fans on the inside just to light up the inside. I think it looks that much better, but then the front was missing, and especially when I've got it in a setup and it's on that angle and you can see the front, pitch black, wasn't working. But now we've got the fans in there, so it's a push-pull configuration. The only issue is I had the Corsair IQ Link cable coming out the side there, so I had to drill a hole on the inside. And because I drilled a hole, it exposed bare metal, so I had to clean that up. And then I put a little bit of paint around the edges so that there'll be no rust or anything. It's all protected from the paint. And now it looks so much better. But we're also gonna be doing some modifications because I think it's looking a little plain down the bottom there. So let's get to it. Wait, the case isn't meant to be on there. It's not meant to be on there. That's not how you do a transition, Amelia.
Sorry.
It's in the fucking way.
You're moving me.
Sorry. I'm trying not to.
I'll find my zen.
Find your zen, babe. Find your zen. Find your zen. Find Zen. Who the fuck's pecking metal? It's not food, you idiot.
I was back.